everyone, it is Claire
and Brenna,
and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hey everyone, so it's Monday and we haven't filmed at all today because my mother is doing something called the Swedish Death Cleanse. But she's cleaning and taking almost everything out of the house that we don't need anymore. But my dad came inside and said that there's a honeybee or a bee outside that's not dead, but like it's just tired. So I made sugar water and I'm trying to save it. So look how cute this is. Look how cool. Hi, cutie. See, it's drinking it. Don't come at me and like say, oh, you're not supposed to do that. I'm trying my best here. But it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go keep saving this thing. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone. So just when Claire and I were super worried that we're gonna have nothing to film, guess who got sick? Drum roll. Me. Yay. So right now we're going to the doctor's so I don't get more sick. But we'll see you guys soon. Right, Claire? Yep. See ya. So we got out of the doctor's and I have a respiratory infection, so I have to go on antibiotics, steroids, anti-flucan, and I have to do more nebulizers, which is so much fun. But because it's summer, UConn does the once on Sundays, so we're gonna do that and then pick up my meds, or the other way around. I'm not sure yet. So we'll go get our meds and get some ice cream. We're at One Ton Sunday at UConn. So we got our ice cream. So we got these slate designs. They look really pretty. But we're gonna eat our ice cream and then we'll see you guys after. See ya.
A little later.
So it's later in the day. We went home and I started all my fun meds. But I really want ice cream. So my parents said we could go out and get some. So we are going to the dairy bar right now. So let's go. We're just driving home now. And we got ice cream. We got a pint of chocolate, a pint of peach, and then we got our mom a peanut butter parfait. Today is such a gloomy day. It's all overcast and it's just like one of those days where it's like, ew.
It's raining up the stairs.
So we just got home. So we're gonna go inside, enjoy this ice cream, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone, so it's Wednesday, and we didn't film at all today because we had people over and we just wanted to spend time with them. Claire interrupted me. But I wanted to fill you in. So right now, it's around 10:30, and I have to take my meds. So I have to take my antibiotic, and then I have to take my steroids, which I've already taken twice a day. So I'm on a really high dose of steroids, and I'm on pretty strong antibiotics because I get sick a lot, and they're the only ones that work on me. So let's take our steroids. So now to take my antibiotic.
Chug.
Okay, but I took my meds, and we'll see you guys tomorrow because we have to order our birthday cakes, go and pick up more meds, and then we might go shopping for some scrubs for me. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone. So it is Thursday, and we just ordered our cakes for our birthday at the dairy bar. So Claire, what did you get?
I got peach and vanilla. No.
You did not get peach.
I got peach and black raspberry with flowers, like a ton of flowers in pink and orange.
And I got the exact same design, so flowers, but I got mine in purple and yellow, and my flavors are chocolate and cappuccino. We had to go to the bank, and then after that, I think we're gonna go and get some scrubs, because whenever we go to Cincinnati and I have surgery, I always wear scrubs, as you can obviously see in like all of our videos from Cincinnati. So we're gonna do that, and we will see you guys then.
Now we stopped at Bagel One. I got some bagels.
So I got a toasted blueberry bagel with strawberry cream cheese.
And I got a toasted whole wheat with honey bagel with plain cream cheese. Yeah.
So we're gonna eat these, and we will see you guys
Later.
in like 1 second YouTube time. So we are at the trinket shop, and we are looking for scrubs, right, Claire?
I hate the frogs.
Yeah, I know, me too.
It's cute. That is so cute. Okay, so right now, me and Brenna are going to Starbucks to go get the buy one get one free thing, because we also want a Starbucks, but it just happens to be buy one get one
Free. And when you're able to get buy one get one free, you go for it. Because why not?
tired.
Me too. Okay, so oh, Claire. Okay, so we went scrub shopping, and I found pants.
They were cute
Yes, they
though.
were. Okay, they were cute pants. But I didn't find a top that I liked because none of them fit me right. So we're gonna look there, and then we might look at this place called Scrub Warehouse. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
It's in, I think, West Hartford or something.
Rocky Hill maybe?
Rocky Hill. And they have like a huge variety because it's just for scrubs. So I think we might go down there and look. Maybe, maybe not.
So we're gonna post it on our Instagram, but we're also gonna post on here. What video suggestions do you have? Is there something you want to see us film or do? Something cool. I really want your input. I think it'd be really cool.
Because in reality, the only reason why we are going to Starbucks is so that we have content. Content! So a little update on my
Yeah,
health.
me neither.
So I might look happy and like everything's fine in the world, but I feel miserable right now. I just feel horrible. My meds are killing me. And we're almost at Starbucks, so let's go in. So we're at Starbucks. We have a venti ice cold brew, please, with almond milk and mocha syrup.
And I'll have a latte, please, with coconut milk. Okay, so Brenna got, it's under my name though, so Brenna got a venti cold brew with almond milk and mocha.
Yum. And what did you get?
And I got a green tea latte with coconut milk. Okay, so
We just got home.
So that is it for today.
And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so it is Friday, and guess where we're going again? The doctor's, because I'm sick now, which is weird. I'm never sick. But I don't feel good. Probably got what she got. But that's where we're going right now. And we'll see you guys there. Okay, so here's the update. So I have tonsillitis, so I'm on medication, and right now we're going to CVS to pick them up, and then we're going home and resting because I'm exhausted and I don't feel well. But Bert, do you have anything to say to that?
No.
She's a bit cranky today. Because it wouldn't be Claire and Brenna if we didn't get sick the first week of vacation, right? Right, Brenna?
Yep.
That's just totally us. That's just how we roll. Now we're going to CVS to pick up the meds. Let's go.
So we got to CVS and Claire's prescription wasn't ready, so we went to Dunkin'. So I got a iced decaf coffee with mocha swirl, and I got mine black because I don't like sugar or cream in my coffees.
And I got a chai tea latte with almond milk.
Hey everyone, so we got home from CVS and we just relaxed all day. None of us are feeling good. Our meds are kicking our butts. But we got Blaze for dinner. So I went out with my dad and we picked it all up. But we're gonna go home now. So that's it for this week's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we will see you guys next week, hopefully feeling a lot better. Bye!